Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Did you know that when you throw away your orange peels, you're actually tossing out a hidden treasure? That's right. Today, we're going to show you 22 amazing ways to repurpose those orange peels you usually throw out. You'll save money and help the environment at the same time. If you're ready, let's get started. First up, let's start with our homes. Orange peels are a natural source of cleanliness and freshness. To make your own citrus cleaner, just mix orange peels with vinegar and boiling water. There you have it, a wonderfully scented, all-natural surface cleaner. Having trouble with stubborn grease stains in your pots and pans? Use a fresh orange peel like a sponge to get rid of those stains easily. The essential oils inside are incredibly effective at cutting through grease. You don't need expensive sprays to get rid of bad odors in your home. A few orange peels will instantly freshen the air in your room. Likewise, just toss a handful of orange peels down your garbage disposal to tackle any smells coming from there. Want your house to smell amazing? You can make your home smell like fresh citrus by boiling orange peels or placing them on a radiator. You can even place a few peels in a corner of your fridge to eliminate odors. The solution for making your wooden furniture shine is also in the orange peel. Gently rub your furniture with the white inner side of the peel and see the difference. And finally, smelly shoes. Place some dried orange peels in a small sachet and leave them inside your shoes. The next day, the odor will be gone. Now, let's focus on ourselves a bit. Did you know you can make your own scented candles with orange peels? By adding shredded orange peels to melting wax, you can spread a wonderful scent throughout your home. Time for some skincare. A mask made from orange peel powder and milk will cleanse excess oil and dead skin from your face. You can also lighten dark spots by rubbing the peel directly onto your skin. For a fantastic body scrub, all you need to do is mix orange zest, sugar, and olive oil. This mixture will both exfoliate and moisturize your skin. To take your bath to the next level, add a few drops of orange peel oil to your tub. You'll relax and nourish your skin at the same time. You can also add dried, powdered peels to your bath water. Have a problem with dandruff? Apply water that has had crushed orange peels soaked in it to your hair. It helps reduce dandruff while acting as a natural conditioner. And finally, a winter tea packed with vitamin C. By steeping dried orange peels in hot water, you can make a delicious tea that's also great for colds and the flu. The talents of orange peels don't stop there. You can create a wonderfully flavored oil by adding dried orange peels and cranberries to olive oil. If you have a garden, don't ever throw away your orange peels. Add them to your compost to enrich your soil with nutrients and nitrogen. They also deter slugs. To soften hardened brown sugar, all you have to do is place a piece of orange peel in the jar. You can use orange peels as a fire starter when lighting a barbecue or fireplace. They burn slowly and release a wonderful aroma. If you love nature, you can make a cute little bird feeder from half an orange peel. To protect your garden or potted plants from cats, sprinkle a mixture of dried orange peels and coffee grounds around the area. And last but not least, a natural bug repellent. The substance D-limonene in oranges naturally repels cockroaches, ants, and mosquitoes. And that's a wrap. The next time you eat an orange, you'll think twice before throwing away the peel. Make orange peels a part of your life with these amazing tips. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.